What's up everyone? So today I'm going to take a look at how meal kit services like HelloFresh, Home Chef, and EveryPlate hold up for picky eaters. And for those of you that actually know me, you already know I'm definitely one of those. So if you've ever had to work around certain textures, strong flavors, or ingredients that just don't fly, you already know how quickly dinner can turn into a bit of a challenge. So in this video, I'm going to go over what each of these meal kits get right when it comes to choices, whether that's swapping out ingredients, offering more familiar meals, or just making it easier to get through the week without too much stress. So let's jump in. All right. Let's start with HelloFresh. Out of all the meal kits that I've tried, this one easily has the largest weekly menu, over 100 recipes. And when you're dealing with picky eaters, having that kind of variety makes a huge difference. It means you're way more likely to find meals that feel familiar and safe, but still give you enough room to change it up week to week so it doesn't get repetitive. Now, one of the best features here they offer is something called Hello Custom. And this is where things get really flexible. Basically, it lets you swap proteins or sides in a bunch of the recipes every week. So maybe you find a pasta dish you want to try, but it comes with sausage and someone in your house won't touch it. You could switch it to chicken or even upgrade it to something like shrimp or salmon if that's more your style. You're not stuck with the default, which is great when you're working around food preferences or even allergies. They also have a family-friendly plan, which is designed with simpler meals that tend to be kid-approved. Think tacos, pastas, meatballs, things most people already like, and that tends to go over well even with selective eaters. And most recipes come together in around 20 to 30 minutes, which is manageable for a weeknight. Now, another thing that I appreciate is how everything comes pre-portioned. So you're not overbuying ingredients you won't use, and cleanup is a lot quicker. The recipe cards are laid out clearly, and even if you're not very confident in the kitchen, it's all very easy to follow. So if what you're looking for is a meal kit that gives you flexibility, familiar options, and a routine that feels doable without eating the same thing every night, HelloFresh does a really good job of finding that balance. All right. Now moving on to Home Chef, and its flexibility is what you are after, then this one's got a lot going for it, right? When you sign up, they have you fill out a quick taste profile that filters out any ingredients that you'd rather avoid. So if mushrooms, shellfish, or anything else just isn't going to work in your household, you won't have to worry about these slipping into your box. It's all handled automatically every week, which is one less thing to stress about. Now, the standout feature here is called Customize It, and this is where Home Chef really leans into giving you control. On most of the meals, you can easily swap proteins, so you could trade out pork for turkey, double up on chicken if that is the go-to, or even choose a plant-based option like the Impossible Burger. It's a small change that can make a big difference when you are dealing with texture issues, taste preferences, or just trying to keep everyone happy at the dinner table. Another thing that I really like is how many different prep options they offer. If you do enjoy cooking, they've got traditional kits where you do everything from scratch. But if time's tight or you just don't want to deal with a pile of dishes, they also have oven-ready meals that come in a single tray and a fast and fresh option that's fully prepped and ready to go in about 15 minutes. You can even choose microwavable meals if you just want something ultra quick. So no matter what kind of week you're having, there's a format that works. Plus, they throw in extras like breakfast items, smoothies, and protein packs, which can be very convenient if you want to cut down on grocery runs or just have a few extra things in the fridge. And if you are feeding a family, their family plan is designed to strike a balance. It's simple enough for picky eaters, but still interesting enough for the adults at the table. So if you do want a meal kit that's going to meet where you're at, whether you're all in on cooking or you just need something fast and hassle-free, Home Chef is really a great option. And finally, there's EveryPlate, which is hands down the most budget-friendly option of the three. Meals start at around $5 per serving, and even once you factor in shipping, it usually ends up being cheaper than buying everything yourself at the grocery store. So if you are trying to save a little bit, but you still want the structure and convenience of a meal kit, this one is definitely worth a look. Now, the trade-off here is that you don't get as many recipe choices each week, and there's not much in the way of customization. But honestly, the simplicity is kind of the point. EveryPlate keeps things really straightforward. Most meals are 6 steps or fewer, and they use ingredients that are familiar and easy to enjoy. So If you're cooking for someone who gets overwhelmed by strong flavors or unfamiliar textures, this might actually be a better fit than the more upscale kits. They also have a family faves plan that sticks to classic crowd pleasers like tacos, baked pasta, burgers, you know, that kind of thing. It's all comfort food style, and it's designed to be reliable, especially for households where trying new things isn't always the easiest sell. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that the ingredients come packed together in one box without much separation, so it's not quite as organized as some of the others. But on the flip side, there's less waste and less packaging to deal with. And despite the low price, you are still getting fresh produce, meats, and pantry staples. They do offer some premium upgrades if you want to toss in a steak or salmon every now and then, but the standard meals are built to be solid, everyday options that keep costs low and effort minimal. So if you are looking for something that makes dinner easy, keeps the budget in check, and sticks to meals you know will actually get eaten, EveryPlate is a really practical choice. And if you want to give any of these meal delivery services a try, then you can check out the affiliate link in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and we might earn a small commission, which helps out the channel. And sometimes we do have special deals that you wouldn't get if you went directly through their website. Now, just to give you a quick sense of how the pricing stacks up across all of these, HelloFresh usually runs around $10 per serving, depending on the plan you choose. Most weekly boxes land somewhere between $70 and $130, and shipping adds a flat $11. If you pick a premium meal, like steak or seafood, that'll bump things up a bit as well. Home Chef starts at around $8 per serving, and the final price depends on which meals and upgrades you go with. They also charge $11 for shipping, so it's in a similar ballpark overall, just with more room to customize. EveryPlate comes in as the most affordable option, with meals starting at around $5 per serving if you're on one of the larger plans. Shipping is the same, $11, and they usually have intro deals where your first box can come out to as low as $2 per meal, which is pretty hard to beat. So whether you're looking for maximum flexibility, a wider variety of meals, or just a way to keep dinner easy and affordable, each of these services offers a slightly different mix depending on what you need most. So to wrap it up, all three of these meal kits bring something useful to the table if you are dealing with picky eaters. HelloFresh gives you the most variety and some nice built-in flexibility with the Hello Custom feature. Home Chef is great if you really want to customize each meal or switch up how much effort you're putting in. And EveryPlate keeps things easy, affordable, and focused on familiar meals that are more likely to get eaten without complaints. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, then please like and subscribe to see more videos just like this. And as I mentioned earlier, check the link below for the best deals available right now. Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.